Bit upright, but somehow wriggles his way back to the floor. Prince Chamara, to the line they go. Akash Madhushankar. Will he manage to get the offload away? No, he doesn't. Here goes Prince Chamara, and that's the first try.
හොඳම තීරණය ගන්න.
Swisstek Aquashield 2K waterproofer. Seal කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා.
CHNFC hosting Police Sports Club as the holders of the plate. First 5/8 for Police Sports Club kicks things off. Collected by the scruff of his teeth. That was CHNFC through their forwards trying to make headway. The Police defense holding on. A hand comes in. There was no way that Amjad Fahmy was getting that legally from pretty much bang in front. Makes no mistake. Bit upright, but somehow wriggles his way back to the floor. Prince Chamara, to the line they go. Akash Madhushankar. Will he manage to get the offload away? No, he doesn't. Here goes Prince Chamara, and that's the first try for Police Sports Club. From close range, picked and spotted the gap. And he goes over for Police, and that's the first try of this game.
CH,
Dushankar.
pay for it. We can see it on the replay. But this is just a try situation. Simple as that. Absolutely massive.
Through Hafiz Thabit. Now a short ball comes in. Well, the try hasn't been scored as Primesh Danushka thought he spotted a gap and tried to snipe over, but this time Heshan Kalhara from close range scores the second try for Police Sports Club. As
Running across. That's why we all got confused about it. If you see that line about 5 meters away, that's what they thought it was scored. But beautiful.
CHNFC. But before anything, it's this game. Quite a bit of it left as Police Sports Club go over for the third try. By the looks of it, that's Amjad Fahmy.
The conversion to come. It's a jab. It's a follow through. Conversion's good.
Advantage, says the referee as he goes back. Janidu takes it quickly, beats a couple. Will he get the first try for the home team? No, he won't. Here goes the big forward. This time around, he does. And that is Charit Silva with CHNFC's first try in the 34th minute. Feeding in. At number 8 was Shanaka Harishchandra. But Harsha Madhuranga has been caught offside. Surya Dodangoda picks in, ran straight. Here goes Police Sports Club and they score their fourth try. This time through Sujan Kodituaku in the number 14 jumper.
The miracle Iceman. It's 10 seconds to go. Conversion. Flag stay down. Not so good. That's half time.
Unable to add the extras. Half-time score reads 22 points to 8 in favour of the visitors.
ජීවිතය ගැන ගන්න ඕන හොඳම තීරණයක්.
Swisstek Skim Coat. Finish එකට හොඳම කෙනා.
They will no doubt be wanting to correct their mistakes from the first half as Dinesh De Silva kicks things off. Not collected by the jumper. Good tackle there by Kalhara, but CH still with possession and through the heart goes Devind Ratnayaka and he scores the first try in this second half. He would have no down laid the law down as we see Devind diving over and from a friendly angle for the right footer, makes no mistake. Free kick goes the way of CHNFC. Maliksha takes it. To the line they go. Pasindu puts on the goose. Tries to beat a couple. Gets it away. To the wing. CH in with the advantage. Hopwood concedes the penalty. Maliksha tried to take the quick tap. But for his troubles, Akash
Yes, I'm looking. Clearly looking.
The Swiss Tech player of the match. Of the 8 breaks, here goes Pasindu. Showing, finds some space, beats a couple of players. Pasindu Bandara, will he go all the way? Gets the offload, well, in fact, gets the handoff. But a massive tackle coming in. Think that is Ramida Himash. Has he done some damage to himself? Vihanga Pivithuru bumps off his defender and an advantage is coming the way of the visitors. Police Sports Club. Prince Chamara trying to dink it through, grubber it through. But the penalty is coming the way of the visitors. If you're not going to kick it through the posts.
Yes.
The penalty has been notched over. And that's the game. Police Sports Club come to CH NFC's home ground and dismantle the team sitting on top. Police somehow managed to secure a 10-point victory over CHNFC. Hafiz Thabit was named the Swiss Tech player of the match.
වතුරත් ලීක් වෙලා ස්ලැබ් එකත් ඉවරයි. බලන්නකො දැන් සාලේ කැත. චමරි.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වශීල් 2K waterproof දැම්ම නම් වතුර කාන්දු වෙන්නෙත් නෑ. හිතටත් නිදහස්.
ස්විස්ටෙක් ඇක්වශීල් 2K waterproofer සීල් කරන්න හොඳම කෙනා